Hey beauty, today we're gonna be hanging out talking about some Amazon beauty finds. I've had some time to use and make sure that I genuinely love these products. If you are new to my channel, my name is Deanndra and I post lots of fashion and beauty content, lots of Amazon, lots of Walmart, affordable fashion. We have lots of fun here, so if you enjoy that kind of content, hit that subscribe button down below. I'd love it so much if you joined our fam today. With that being said, let's go ahead and get into this Amazon beauty video. I think I'm gonna start off with two items that are definitely summer necessities. The first one being the Bondi Sands Pure Self-Tan Foaming Water. I do sort of have it on now, but I have showered and exfoliated since the last time that I used it. It says that it has hyaluronic acid for hydration, vitamin C for radiance, and vitamin E for repair. It says it's colorless, fragrance-free, quick drying, and gentle enough for sensitive skin. To me, it does have a scent. I like that it is a water formula and the foam does come out clear. It hasn't been like too super streaky on me. I do have a self-tan mitt set that I've picked up from Amazon last year. I'll include a picture right here because it has the small little face mitt, the typical hand mitt, and a back applicator. I do actually have the Bondi Sands back applicator, which I really love. I've had it since last year. It folds so it stores well, and it really helps me get, you know, these back areas where it's hard to reach. I feel like this is worth the purchase, especially because it's lasted me so long. I really love all the Bondi Sands products, honestly. They sent me their skincare and it's what I've been mostly using. My skin has been doing so well and I'm really liking it so far. Beauty item that I feel is absolutely a summer necessity is some sort of like foot care treatment. I actually came across something similar on TikTok where she said that she had found hers at Walmart and Five Below. I was not about to go out and hunt down this product from Five Below. I'm just lazy like that. Instead, I just went to Amazon and looked for something similar. I found this one. It is the Callus Peel Mist Callus Removal in 3 minutes. Basically, you just spray and file it down. It definitely helps my foot file get off more faster, and it sort of softens it and just makes it easier. I have tried out the foot peel masks from Amazon that everyone was using last year. Those are fun, but it leaves your feet looking really gross for a long time. I'd rather get it done quickly, and this has done that for me. This foot peel did actually come with its own file. I do actually have an electric foot file that I really love. It needs to be charged because I did just recently use this on my feet, but you just turn it on and it rotates. I did also pick up a wax kit from Amazon. I've never done waxing before. It was pretty simple and easy to get accustomed to. I've been doing, you know, my armpits and my legs. The kit that I picked out comes with the actual warmer. I want to say 4 bags of wax, which we have used 2 already. It also came with this little silicone bowl, some extra applicators, and I did also make sure that this kit included the pre-wax spray and the post-wax spray, just so that I wouldn't end up with any bumps or redness or anything like that. And I feel like when I use this, it definitely helps. I've also been waxing my sideburns, and honestly, it's the best way to get rid of hair on your face. I even did my brows recently. I need to do them again, honestly. And there's Wrangler. There is also some gloves in here. If you do lash lift and brow lift regularly at home, I would definitely recommend looking into the plastic that's specifically made for that purpose, because in the past I was using like Reynolds wrap. While it worked, it was just like so messy and it never like stuck on my face how I wanted it to. So I picked up, I think it was like a 4-pack for $7.99. I don't even think I'm like halfway through the first pack, so I literally will have these at home forever. But it's nice because it's like pre-cut basically. Just roll it out and it has a perforated spot down here. You just rip it off. It fits right on your brow or on your eye area. Now that I'm thinking about it, I have a lot of brow products. I do regularly tint them. I feel like I've shared this brow tint on Instagram a lot. I recently shared it in a TikTok, and it is the Maybelline Tattoo Brow Easy Peel Off Tint. Basically, you just brush it on your brow, leave it for a few hours, just peel it off, and it's nice and tinted. Mine usually lasts like a week to a week and a half. I'm due for like a brow grooming soon, so I think I'm gonna wax, lift, and tint probably this weekend. If you've been following me for a while, you know I love a makeup hack. I love the wing stamp eyeliners from Amazon. I think they're amazing. They save me so much time when I'm doing my makeup, so I wanted to try out these brow stamps. You take out the stencil and then you stamp it on. I did use this product today and I'm really liking it. It stayed really nice. The stencil was actually really easy to use. I'm liking the color that it is. I have been using the NYX brow glue. I did also get this one on Amazon. I'm really liking this. It holds really well. Oh, I want to talk about the pink under eye trend. I love that trend. I've been doing it and I notice a huge difference, especially on camera with how bright my under eye looks. I've actually been using this Becca Soft Light Powder in the color Pink Haze. Let's talk about this Essence Glimmer Glow lipstick. I actually heard about this from Rocio Roses on TikTok. She actually follows me on TikTok and likes my stuff, so that makes my heart so happy because I have loved her for so long. But she recommended this little color changing lipstick, and you guys, for no makeup days, when you want a little something on your lips but you want it to look natural, I definitely recommend this because it gives my lips this pouty pinkish reddish color and it's just absolutely beautiful. I kind of want to try it out since most of my actual lipstick has gone away. Look at that, how it's already changing the color. Isn't that so pretty? Definitely reminds me of the same kind of idea and concept of the Dior one that everyone goes crazy over, but you guys know that I love me a bargain find. I found the cutest lash holder ever. It does have a light you can turn on and off. This is so great for travel, especially if you're wanting to take a mirror and lashes. You have it all in one. It folds really nicely, but it also is like a 360 type of thing, so you could close up the mirror. You could also pick it up like this and just have it sitting on the table. Speaking of lashes, I do typically get my lashes on Amazon. I get this multi-pack one. These are very comfortable and it comes in several different styles, very affordable, and the lashes themselves definitely look like a faux mink, very natural and pretty. Also, I do really love this half lash curler. Basically, when you're done putting your lashes on, you can just clamp them together just like this and blend your lashes so much easier than trying to do it with your finger, because that does tend to break up glue faster with all the oils on your fingers. My lashes are super straight naturally, so even using the tweezers sometimes doesn't work for me because my naturals just want to stick straight out. So when I have something that actually curls them, it just blends it so much more seamlessly. The last like makeup whippy thing that I have is this cooling fan, which I really love this one because, where's my phone? It's also a phone holder. So whenever I'm watching a YouTube video and getting ready at the same time, I just prop my phone up here. I have a little phone holder, but I also have a makeup fan. It has 3 different settings. There's slow, medium, high. It does also fold down, which I think is perfect, especially for my vanity. I just fold it and stack it on top of my powders. It is also rechargeable. I love that it is black and gold, but it also, I think, comes in a white color. Let's move into skincare. I just quickly want to mention this CeraVe Foaming Facial Cleanser. This is just the regular foaming facial cleanser. I have it on a subscription from Amazon just because it resends me every 2 months. Both me and Josh use it. It's really helped him clear his breakouts. It's helped me clear my breakouts, and it's a drugstore face wash. This actually was also recommended to my brother from his dermatologist. I have actually talked about the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow PHA plus BHA Pore Tight Toner. I really love this one. It smells like watermelon. When I think of toner, I think of more of like a water-based product, a little bit more liquidy, but this one actually is sort of the in-between of a serum and like a water-based toner. So it does have a little bit of a thicker consistency than most of the toners I've ever tried, and I really enjoy this one. I got the mini bottle because I noticed that it came in a set with the Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dew Drops. This is a serum, and it says it's the ultimate glow plus brightening. I have actually been noticing a lot of dark spots from my breakouts clear a lot faster, and my skin does look a lot more even since I've been using this on the regular. Again, it has this really nice watermelon scent. It's luxurious and it's relaxing, and I've really been enjoying it. Don't even get me started on skincare devices because I feel like I always talk about my Foreo UFO Mini and the Foreo Bear that's the microdermabrasion like massager tool. I will recommend those every single Amazon beauty video. I definitely think those are worth the splurge. I've talked about them before, but I did recently pick up one of these Kourtney Kardashian skincare masks. This one actually was only like $30 something, and it has 7 different colors. Each color is supposed to target different things. I know the most popular ones are the red, that's supposed to help with fine lines, and the green is supposed to help with acne and breakouts. I know a lot of people talk about red light therapy. This is the easiest way for me to get that red light therapy because I can literally put it on, edit a video, watch the housewives, scroll TikTok. Much easier than holding up a device to your face. I just used the black one today. It's dirty, I'm sorry, but I found a 3-pack of sponges on Amazon for like $4. That's a little bit over $1 a piece, and they are really good. I have been using the black one for a while. I do wash it off every time I wet it, but it is really good. It's what I've been doing my makeup with. It's a very high quality sponge. It came in a 3-pack, so I thought I would mention that. I'm glad I mentioned cleaning my sponge because I almost forgot to talk about this. It is actually a brush cleaning little set. It's a solid brush cleaner. It comes with the textured silicone cleaner, and it comes with one of these little sponge cleaners where you can clean your eyeshadow brushes in between your makeup looks. So let's say you're wanting to use the same blending brush for 2 different colors and you want to clean it off, you can just use this little sponge. It'll get that excess eyeshadow off, and then you can go back and blend it out with a clean brush. I love that it comes in this nice little convenience set. I just keep this on my little vanity and then this one right next to the sink. I did also want to mention these little reusable makeup pads. I actually use these with my toner. It's so much more eco-friendly and cheaper to buy these reusable ones. I think it was a 10-pack. This container I actually ended up getting at Marshall's because it was there right in front of me, but I'm sure you can find one of these on Amazon as well. I invested in these spray bottles. This one I actually have with my setting spray. It's not as harsh as the pump ones, and it works really well for a hairspray. If you're wanting some cute little spray bottles, these are really nice, and I like that there's a white one and a black one. I love doing my own nails. I love getting press-on nails from Amazon. I actually just recently did these press-on nails from Amazon, but I spruced them up with the rhinestones. I did end up getting one of these glue gel kits. I don't know if you guys have seen any of the DIY videos on TikTok, but basically it's a gel that's a glue, so you don't have to use super glue, which basically the brush-on nail glue is super glue. I've noticed that this gel glue does hold my press-ons so much longer. I do have a nail drill, which really helps me drill down the outside of the press-on nail just to get it to look like a professional did it. It did come with a full kit. I also picked up this pre-hydrator and the extra strength primer. You don't have to cure these or anything, but this is going to dehydrate your nails before applying them so that they stick a little bit better. This one is to help your gels stay longer. I found myself really wanting to try and start doing my own nail art. I was inspired by TikTok because I landed on the DIY nail side of TikTok and I just binge watched a whole bunch of videos one night and then ordered all these nail products. I'm really happy that I did because, like I said, these press-on nails were cute on their own, but they are so much cuter with the rhinestones on, and it was super easy. So I found a set that had a whole bunch of clear stones, colorful stones, some gold leaf. It also had the dotting tools, which you can use to make flowers and stuff. It also had a bunch of nail brushes. It all came in a set. I did also get a huge pack of nail files. I do also have a nail drill, which I really enjoy. I definitely recommend getting a nail drill too if you do DIY your nails, but I just kind of needed some handheld ones, so I got a whole bunch of them. I won't have to repurchase them for a while. I did want to mention these claw clips. I got them in a pack of like 10. And I've been using them non-stop. I like that they have the pink on them. I think they're super cute. They were very affordable. I had ordered this 1.5 inch barrel from Hot Tools, and I want to say this was like $20. It blows my mind how affordable the Hot Tools are on Amazon because they are really good hair tools. This silicone cover, I bought a 2-pack on Amazon. Both of them are black. It just allows me to put my Hot Tools inside of here so my kids don't get it and get burned. And it also allows me to put the Hot Tool on top of it so that I don't also burn my vanity or my countertop in the bathroom, because I've been known to do that a time or two. That is gonna complete today's Amazon beauty video. I really hope that you had fun hanging out with me today. If you did, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below and keep an eye out for another Amazon fashion haul. I'm really excited for this one coming up. I just recently posted an Amazon handbags and accessories video, so go check that one out now. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye bye.